Now what I can't quite believe is a garden of this stature is somewhere in the centre of London. It's approximately, I think it's about 300 hectares or something ridiculous like that, and it's been here for an absolute age. It's a beautiful bit of land. I think it's about £5 or £10 to get in, and you can do annual concessions should you want to join the garden. And I think if you're a visitor, please contribute to this wonderful garden. I keep going out of focus. Unfortunately, there is an airport. You can hear the plane above, but I absolutely recommend this as a place to visit in London. So let's go and take some photography of this place. GoPro is currently doing a time lapse of the pagoda, which is this thing here. So we're time lapsing this thing here, the pagoda, and I'm using the GoPro here, and I've stuck it on a little tiny tripod, so hopefully it'll keep it nice and stable and we'll get a good time lapse. I'm in the shade because it's quite a sunny day and I haven't got an ND filter.
Keep falling, I'll find you. We're over a forest. There's millions of snowflakes. We're dancing. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you.
I love so much walking in Kew Gardens. The view is outstanding, apart from the aeroplanes that fly high above, but all in all, it's just a wonderful place to walk. I've just been to Queen Charlotte's cottage, and now I'm just walking in the gardens of that cottage, so I'm going to pan around and see what you think.
I am scared.
Kew Gardens is over 250 years old. It's famous for several things: the pagoda, the palm house, Richmond Palace. There's even Queen Charlotte's cottage within. There's the beehive and a whole different range of things to see. I walked around this garden for over 5 hours. The gardens itself, what began in 1759 with a vision of having the largest collection of all plants in the earth. There are 5 ancient trees within the grounds, which are over 250 years old. Can you imagine this being the playground of King George III? He was known as the Mad King, but his gardens were used as a bold statement of his power and influence around the British Empire at that time. In the 1800s, the garden came into disrepair, and again it was restored because nobody wanted it to close, and they put it in the public domain where the gardens would serve a public purpose. It's a remarkable place, like I said. I walked around this garden for 5.5 hours, and I don't think I've done it any justice in this video. Quite a few things have been restored within the garden over the years. The palm house has been restored. The pagoda has recently been restored in the last 6 months to a year. Quite a few things are just going on all the time within the garden. At the moment there is a glass exhibition going on, a couple of images around here, and it's a phenomenal place to visit. And like I said, it does cost some money to get in, but it's well worth it. If you can get an annual membership and go in and watch the changing of the seasons, that's what I would suggest you do. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. And remember, the vision of somebody to create the best in collection of plants within the world. What a wonderful vision that was, and what a wonderful assortment of plants there are in this place. Thank you again for watching.
I can hear people. I think you are near me now. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you. We're over a forest. It's midnight at Christmas. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you. I think I can see you. There's your long white neck. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you. Now I am falling. Look up and you'll see me. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you. In a moment or two, I'll be with you. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you. Be ready to catch me. The world is so loud. Keep falling. I'll find you.
the garden is a Canada geese.
We say it does, but there's no other people like us. 'Cause we don't talk that much and we